everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Giselle. If you're joining for the first time, thank you so much for joining. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in this brand new video. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to layer your skincare products properly, but this time around we'll be focusing on the evening skincare routine. So I really hope you find this useful. If you haven't watched the morning skincare routine one, then I will add the video somewhere here for you guys to reference to and watch that. It's also slightly the same but a little bit different in terms of what products you implement, but it's definitely a good one to have a look at. So I really hope you guys find this video useful, and let's get straight into today's video. So guys, the first step that you want to go in for how to layer your products properly for the evening is an oil-based cleanser. So you want to go in with that to begin with, because you're going to want to break down all the oils, all the dirt that's been on your face from the whole day. So you want to break that down with something that's oil based, and that's really going to be so helpful if you're someone that has oily skin as well. So definitely make sure to implement this step. Then once you've finished with the oil based cleanser, you want to move in with using your water-based cleanser. So that's sort of like the cleanser that you're going to wash away with water. That's what you want to go in with on the second step. I just tend to use the same cleanser as I use in the morning, but I'll list all of the products I'm using in the description box below, so do make sure to check that out. And then the next step that you want to go in with is exfoliation. If you feel that you need to exfoliate your skin, this is a good time to implement that. But if you're someone that has sensitive to dry skin, I would try and skip this step, because you're going to cause your skin to be more dry and irritated. So I would just limit exfoliation personally to once a week or twice a week, depending on your skincare needs. But if you are sensitive, try and just probably limit it to maybe once every 2 weeks, so that you don't cause any irritation. So that's the third step. The fourth step is to use a toner. So you want to go in with your toner, whether you're using the same toner that you use in the morning, that's absolutely fine. Just use what you think your skincare needs and what suits your skincare type. And then once you finish toning, you want to use your eye creams or eye serums, and you want to go in with that. And then once you're finished with the eye creams and serums, you want to move on to using your face serums, or if you're using facial oils, you want to go in with that. So I tend to go in with facial oils in the evening because they're a bit more thicker, so I don't want to use those in the morning because they're just going to be too heavy and too oily. So I tend to go for a facial oil in the evening. I use the vitamin E oil, and I've seen that that really works for my skin, like with discoloration and like acne scarring. It's amazing, and also amazing for like wrinkles and fine lines. I like to use that one specifically. So go in either with your face serum essence, or go in with your face oils if you want to. And then after this, finish off by moisturizing your skin and really making sure everything is nicely hydrated. For me personally, because I use facial oils, I don't like to go in with a moisturizer at night because I just find it too heavy for my face. So you can leave it out if that's what your skin feels like, or if your skin needs it, definitely go in with the moisturizer. But that's pretty much how to layer your skincare products the proper way for the evening time. Do give me any feedback in the comment section below if you've got any questions, and I'm happy to answer them for you. I will list all of the products that I've used in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And also all of my social media sites, I'll leave them in the description box below with all of the links if you want to follow me. And that is pretty much it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like the video, and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye dolls.